Hello everyone, my name is Asim Abbas and I'm working in St. John University under the supervision of Dr. Buhari. So today I will present optimizing semantic enrichment of biomedical content through knowledge sharing. So this is the content for today presentation. If you see in the medical domain, huge amount of data is generated from research article, clinical reports, and this data is stored into the online databases like PubMed and Mainline and Medline. So information retrieval system has been developed like Google or Yahoo to access this biomedical content at their databases. In the diagram, if we see the user is query to the information retrieval system to access relevant document from collection of document available in these databases. The search engine work hard to access the document and ranking algorithm has been designed to retrieve query relevant information to the users. Um, but still challenges is available to the user in accessing the relevant information because of content heterogeneity, missing and imprecise metadata, and unavailability of associated semantic tags required for search engine optimization. So to solve this problem, we have designed some goal to solve this problem to somehow. So our goal is to automate the semantic enrichment and annotation process and to improve the semantic annotation quality by domain expert or peer review and optimize semantic annotation process to enhance the semantic search and biomedical contents. Achieving these goals, some of the challenges are available like automate and integration of available semantic text ontology into one place because hundred of ontologies available in biomedical domain. Data heterogeneity, low quality or incorrect semantic metadata cause the lack of search engine indexing and searching but still speed and accuracy is needed to enrich semantic data for information retrieval. So this is the proposed methodology. This proposed methodology is consist of two layers. One is the preliminary semantic enrichment and other is social technical approach for annotation recommendation. So for preliminary annotation enrichment, we are using by portal to get to the semantic annotation, and we are to get the desired or quality annotation seeking help module is designed where author can generate their query to get help from the domain expert, and the query is posted on the semantically knowledge KP module, so the domain expert is allowed to reply to the query posted by the author. And this is the preliminary annotation interface where the author can edit or enter the text into this editor and annotate by clicking the annotate button. The annotation is started, and this annotation semantic information will be retrieved from the by portal. So the green line word, the green underline word indicate that this term has been annotated, and the term underline will be pink after selecting the term, and its relative semantic information will be appear on the left side of the panel where author is allowed to delete or change the semantic information for explicit term and remove the annotation all the annotation, and later on this semantic annotation can be used for the publishing purpose. So in this seeking help module, if the author want to get a quality or correct annotation from the domain expert for this explicit term, so the author will select this term, and this need help option will be appear. When the author click on need help, this interface will be appear for the author with a possible option where author can write their query from the domain expert, and after writing query, the author will submit this query. So when the author submit the query will be appear in the semantic knowledge campaign module to all the community user. If any user know the answer of this posted query. The user will click on this answer, and this interface will be appear to the user or expert with the possible option to reply to this posted query. After posting the reply by the domain expert, the community user will evaluate this domain expert response by upward and downward, and recommendation will be received to the author, where when the author click on this new recommendation, this interface will be open containing the domain expert response. Here author can accept or reject the recommended annotation. By accepting, the optimization process will be completed. So we have collected some feature by evaluating this methodology like upward, downward, expert confidence score and author credibility score. So we are applying Wilson score on this upwards and downwards, and some kind of value will be obtained between 0 and 5 from Wilson score. And to normalize the expert confidence score and author credibility score between 0 and 1, we are using this mathematical equation. So, in the evaluation and result section, in the proposed methodology, 30 the number of 30 participant have 30 user or 30 people have participated, and we have downloaded a 30 document from the PubMed and distributed over each user, and where we obtain the number of post and responses from this participant, also upward and downward. So, at the preliminary semantic annotation, by processing these document, uh, uh, we analyze that a word or terminology engram of one has been recognized by the by portal easily compared to the terminology of engram 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also, we analyze that the terminology of Ngram 1543 to give more coherent and meaningful information related to Ngram 1. So we also identify result before social technical approach and after social technical approach. If we see in the figure 2, after social technical approach have gained high accuracy related to the before social technical approach. So this is the system demo which I have already presented in the previous slide, and you can visit our website available on this link. And in the conclusion, we have designed social technical semantic annotation optimization methodology to discover precise semantic annotation from the original content creator or from the expert. So to get the preliminary semantic annotation at content level, we have used the by portal, and we have automated this annotation process for the author. And also semantic annotation optimization approach is designed where the author can post their query for optimized quality annotation recommendation. This is the references. Thank you.